somewhere. Hi friends, sorry for the messed up. This is what happens if I don't have a proper setup and my tripod at the right space. Don't worry, we're gonna create one. This is a very interesting video, especially for the new YouTubers. These days I'm being a bit regular on for my YouTube channel. I'm posting at least once a week, and we are not going out so much. So most of the videos I'm shooting at home, and I really needed a nice background for my fashion and beauty related videos. So I thought, why not create one? I'm gonna be using a corner of my room, and I'll keep this very simple, easy, and of course less expensive. So yeah, let's get started. This is the empty corner of my room which I wanna decorate or fill up. As I said, I'm gonna keep it very simple, easy, and less expensive. So I'll be using all the things which I already have at home, and it's possible to use them in some way. Basically, I want to create a cute, nice corner in my room which I can use as a background for my videos. So the first thing I'll be using here is this tool. It was actually very useless for me, but now it's not useless anymore. If needed, I can also sit on it while shooting some videos. Next prop is this rail. Obviously I want to keep it boring and empty, so I'm hanging some dresses and accessories on the rail, which I can also use when I'm shooting a styling related videos. Honestly, this rail also I was not using before. I'm so happy by using it because now I have some more space for keeping my dresses and shoes. And it's a nice background also. So I'm very happy with this. Why this stool should be empty? I'll keep this cute vase on this stool. Another thing is this light which I bought long back and couldn't decide where to put it. Now let's put it here, it'll look nice. Here comes my most interesting prop. Yay! I know it looks blank, but I'm gonna make something on it. I got this board few months back from my office. I have already made some outlines on it. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if it is visible that what actually I want to make on it. I'm gonna draw Mera Look work using a black marker. You know, the interesting part is this is the only thing which I bought for this entire setup. Yes, it's true. And here it's halfway done. Ta-da! It's done. To me, it's looking so cute and simple and also very beautiful and meaningful. I'm placing it in between the stool and rail. Here comes the last but not the least, these frames. These small paintings I made earlier, shared the videos as well, that how easy and quickly I made them. It was also not at the right spot, so I'm hanging them here to add some more like a favorite color of mine to this entire setup. This is the last thing and very much important, tripod. I'll keep it in front of me for shooting the videos, and that's how the entire setup looks. This was all. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and to the comments below. I would love to reply you, and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Doo-doo.